I just got home from the gym and I am wearing the most comfortable set from Quince, so I thought I would put together a quick little video sharing some of my current Quince favorites. I know how much you love when I do Quince videos. It's one of my personal favorite places to shop, not only for myself, but also for home. I know I talk a lot about Quince fashion and I definitely recommend you shop their fashion, but I will say I am so impressed with the home pieces that I recently added here to my bedroom. I added another comforter set and I actually like this one even better than the previous one. They're layered on my bed together and I love the way they look. I'm currently in the process of redecorating basically my entire house. I am gonna share each room with you in a separate video, so I will be doing a room tour. I also added these baskets throughout the room. I got 2 of them. They are the perfect size and look so great in here, and they could just be a little catch-all for throw blankets or even little pillows. They are seriously so good. Look at that size. Love the texture. They've got these leather handles and they do come in different sizes, but I did get 2 of the exact same size and I love these. I also want to quickly show the difference in the textures of the bedding that I got. This is a linen texture. Obviously both of these come in multiple colors, but I just love this kind of linen-y texture for summer. And then this one has a little bit more of a sheen, very soft and silky, and they pair really well together to add a little bit of depth and texture to your space. I also just have to mention the sports bra that I'm wearing. If you're looking for something just super comfortable, I wouldn't say this is going to be good for high impact, but it's great for walking, yoga, Pilates, or even just like lounging around the house or running errands. It's seriously so comfortable, and I think the coverage is really nice. I'm wearing an extra small in all 3 of these pieces. I love a good matching set, and these just look so great and polished together, but the sports bra is seriously so good. I am currently loving all of the tank tops, dressy tank tops, casual tank tops. This one right here is a perfect closet essential from Quince. I don't know why I haven't ordered any of just their basic tank tops, but I finally decided to give this one a try. Got them in an extra small and I love the way this one fits. You can layer it over a set like I'm wearing. You'll see it in the video. You can wear this casually. Perfect little coverall for the beach or vacation. I grabbed it in this oatmeal color and the color is perfection, but I will be ordering more colors. This is just one of those closet essentials. Everything washes and dries well, so it's just a must-have. I went ahead and changed into this next favorite. I just wanted to go and wear it just so I could feel the texture again. I absolutely love this piece. I want to grab it in more colors, but it's such a great way to wear a sweater in the summertime. Very loose and comfortable, very lightweight, but just feels a little bit more elevated and polished. I paired it with my absolute favorite linen shorts from Quince. You're probably tired of me talking about these. I have them in seriously like 4 or 5 different colors. I'll link them down below for you guys as well. I love these. You can wear them so many different ways, but I really had to mention this top. Like I said, give me all of the tank tops. This is seriously the most flattering tank. Well, honestly, I don't even know if I would call it a tank because it's definitely more than a tank. It's so good, you guys. This one also comes in a few different colors. Getting more colors is a must-have for me. It fits so well. I'm wearing a regular bra under here, so you can wear a regular bra, which is also really nice for shirts like this. Paired with those same shorts, I love them. They go with absolutely everything. But I love this kind of like denim-y chambray vibes. So good. And you can do either straight straps in the back or crisscross it in the back, depending on, you know, the bra and stuff that you're wearing. Lots of versatility with this piece. I also just have to give a quick little honorable mention to the sleep gummies that I've been buying for the last 2 or 3 months. I think I shared these with you once, maybe. And I love them. I love them. They work so well. The price is amazing. If you use a sleep gummy, I'm tired of spending a ton of money. These are like 50% less than the typical ones that I've bought in the past, and they do such a great job. 5 milligrams of melatonin. You get 120 gummies for like $25. This is seriously just like a must-have. Add this to your cart. And look who decided to join me. She's so cute. Okay, well, that is it, you guys. As always, everything will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would very much appreciate it if you use the links before you do any Quince shopping. Thanks again to Quince for partnering with me on today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.